Is it the right time to buy or sell Microsoft stock? In this video, we will be diving deep into Microsoft. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, December 29, 2023. Now, we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You wouldn't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Take your trading decisions to the next level by trying out our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of artificial intelligence and get free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Starting from October 24, 2023, our system has identified Microsoft as a promising investment opportunity, giving it a score of 4.05. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this time period. If you had followed our analysis, you would have enjoyed a substantial gain of 13.77% since we first recommended Microsoft as a buy candidate 47 days ago. This means that, on average, the stock has provided a daily return of 0.29% since it was listed as a buy candidate. The stock is currently in a strong rising trend in the short term, offering a potential buying opportunity. If the lower trend floor at $373.53 is broken, it may indicate a slower rate of rising and could be an early warning for a trend shift. Looking at the 3-month trend, there is a possibility of an 18.85% change over the next 3 months. This suggests a potential return ranging between 18.06% and 28.17%. Moving on to the 12-month trend, it indicates a 48.87% change over the next year. This translates to a potential return ranging between 36.56% and 56.01%, which means the stock price could reach anywhere from $513.53 to $586.67 in a year. In today's Microsoft stock update, we have some interesting news. The stock experienced a positive trend, gaining 0.203% on the last trading day. Let's dive deeper into the details. The stock price rose from $375.28 to $376.04 on Friday, December 29, 2023. Throughout the day, the stock fluctuated between a low of $373.48 and a high of $377.16, with a difference of 0.99%. This marks the 8th increase in the past 10 days, with a total rise of 2.76% over the past 2 weeks. An encouraging sign is that the volume of shares traded also increased, indicating positive market sentiment. In fact, 4 million more shares were traded compared to the previous day, totaling 19 million shares and approximately $7.01 billion in value. Now let's take a look at the stock's performance over the past year. The highest price reached was $384.30, while the lowest price was $219.35. Currently, the stock is trading at 2.15% below its 52-week high, which amounts to $8.26. It's worth noting that the current price of $376.04 also represents the all-time high for this stock. Analyst Ratings. On Thursday, December 28, 2023, Wedbush gave Microsoft, MSFT, an outperform grade with a hold action. On Thursday, December 28, 2023, Wedbush gave Microsoft, MSFT, an overweight grade with a hold action. On Tuesday, December 5, 2023, Needham gave Microsoft, MSFT, a hold grade with a hold action. On Tuesday, November 21, 2023, Piper Sandler gave Microsoft, MSFT, an overweight grade with a hold action. On Thursday, November 16, 2023, Wedbush gave Microsoft, MSFT, an outperform grade with a hold action. Analysts have given Microsoft stock a strong buy rating overall. They consider the PE ratio and price to book as strong buy indicators. However, when it comes to return on investment, the analysts have given the stock a neutral rating. In this video, we'll be discussing the signals identified for Microsoft stock. The Microsoft stock has received buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive forecast for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal from the relationship between these two signals, where the short-term average is above the long-term average. In case of corrections downwards, there will be support from the lines at $374.11 and $373.13. However, if the stock price breaks below any of these levels, it would issue sell signals. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. The volume is also rising in conjunction with the price, which is considered to be a good technical signal. On the other hand, there have been some negative signals that may influence the near short-term development of the stock. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Tuesday, November 28, 2023, resulting in a decline of -1.74% so far. It is anticipated that the stock will continue to fall until a new bottom pivot has been found. Here are some other signals that you might find interesting. The moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots show a sell signal 23 days ago. Bollinger signals a buy 11 days ago. The short-term moving average suggests a sell signal 8 days ago. The long-term moving average indicates a buy signal 60 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages suggests a buy signal 56 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see that the short moving average suggests a buy signal 6 days ago. The long-term moving average also indicates a buy signal 44 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages suggests a buy signal 41 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Today, let's talk about Microsoft support, risk, and stop-loss levels. When it comes to support, Microsoft has found a strong level at $370.73. This means that when the stock price reaches this level, it may present a buying opportunity as we can expect an upwards reaction from the market. Moving on to risk, Microsoft is known for its controlled movements. With good liquidity, the risk associated with this stock is considered very low. This provides investors with a sense of security. Looking at the stock's recent performance, we can see that in the last day, it had a price range of $3.68 or 0.99% between its high and low points. This indicates a relatively stable movement. Over the past week, the stock has shown a daily average volatility of 0.756%. Before we explore potential trading levels for Microsoft, let's quickly go over some important fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, also known as the P/E ratio. This ratio is crucial as it measures a company's current share price in relation to its per-share earnings. Microsoft's P/E ratio is within the normal range, which is often observed in companies with established track records or predictable revenues. Moving on to other news, the next earnings report for Microsoft's fourth quarter of 2023 is expected to be released on January 23, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates for this report are at $2.75. It's important to keep an eye on these numbers as they can significantly impact stock prices. Let's dive into some potential day trading levels for Microsoft. If the stock is on an upward trend, the first resistance level for Microsoft is at $376.17. If you don't own any shares, it might be wise to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Microsoft faces its first support level at $370.73. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point, with the potential for a rebound. The average rating for Microsoft from multiple analyst sources is strong buy. Now, let's dive into some recent insider trades. On December 15, 2023, Hoya LSL conducted an insider sell of 264,433 shares of common stock. On December 14, 2023, Warrior Pudmashri made an insider buy of 858 shares of restricted stock units. Also on December 14, 2023, Warrior Padmashri made another insider buy, this time of 277 shares of restricted stock units. And on that same day, Thomson John Wendell made an insider buy of 87,636 shares of restricted stock units. In addition, on December 14, 2023, Thomson John Wendell made another insider buy, this time of 54,666 shares of restricted stock units. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, the insider power is calculated to be positive, with a ratio of 76.223. Overall, insiders have purchased 2,529,537 shares and sold 328,957 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss for this stock is set at $360.96, which represents a decrease of 4.01%. This particular stock has low daily movements, which translates to lower risk for investors. Additionally, there is a sell signal that was identified from a pivot top that occurred 22 days ago. Is Microsoft stock a good buy? Based on our analysis, there are several positive short-term signals and a general upward trend for Microsoft stock. This indicates that there may be a buying opportunity at the current level. However, it's important to note that our systems have identified the current price as overvalued after analyzing the volatility and movements of the last trading day. Looking ahead to Tuesday, January 2nd, we anticipate that Microsoft stock will open with a decrease of $0.480 and start trading at $375.56. Before we begin, it's important to remember that trading comes with a high risk of losing money. To make informed decisions, it's always a good idea to consult a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Please note that StockInvest.us is a source of information and should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By utilizing the information provided, you agree to take full responsibility for your own investment decisions. We want to hear your thoughts on the current view of this stock. Share your agreement or disagreement with us by commenting below. We're also curious to know what your target for this stock is. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more insightful trading content. Wishing you successful trading and a beautiful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.